All right, guys, so I want to make a real fast video for folks who may not know this about tires. My wife's Escalade, let me turn you around and show you. This is my wife's beautiful 2019 Cadillac Escalade. We just put about 1,300 miles on it on a trip, and it did great. No problems. Love this vehicle. The only issue with it is it needs new tires. Uncle Jerem wants to share with you guys something that I learned. Now, you old motorheads, you know exactly what this is, and so I want to talk to you about the wear indicators on the tires, because I don't know that a lot of people know this. I didn't know this for a long time. I always thought that the wear indicators were here on the side of the tires somewhere, and I think there are some little small ones right here, but the main ones are actually located here in the grooves of the tires. And so here's these straight grooves. These are the wear indicators. Like if you get even, the tread gets even with these, it's time to replace them. So if you're being told that your tires are in the wear indicators, that's what that's talking about. Like if the top of the tread is even with those wear indicators, it's past time to replace your tires. And so I'm of the opinion that you need to replace them before you get to the wear indicators. These tires, if you look up the weather for North Georgia into Tennessee, the weekend of Thanksgiving 2025, the weekend before Thanksgiving, actually, what is today? Today's Tuesday. It's been just really bad rain, and so I was skating around a little bit. It's time to replace those tires. What tires we're going to replace it with, I don't know. I really don't care. As long as they're good tires, good wet all around tires, I'm going to be okay. But I hope that helps somebody. Like if you hear someone say your tires are in the wear indicators, all you got to do is go outside and look at your tread and at those places that I showed you, those little vertical lines right there, and see if they're telling you the truth. If they're getting close to it, go ahead and replace them. If they're like pretty far away from it, and there's like specs, your tires have specs and that sort of thing, where you can measure your tread depth and that sort of thing. But that's just a real quick, easy way, even if you don't change your own oil or anything like that, where you can check and see if you actually need to replace your tires or not. And so if you're getting close, go ahead and do it. Like I'm going to do it. I'm going to replace the tires on this truck, on this Escalade, just because it is time. It's past time. It's too close to those wear indicators for me. And so we replaced them, doing a 4-wheel alignment, and going from there. Anyway, I hope you guys got something out of that. I know for your old motorheads, you guys already know all that stuff, and you're not, this is like, you probably already skipped the video, but I hope you learned something. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. This is the week of Thanksgiving. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His mercy endureth forever. Thanks, guys. Love you lots. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.